morning, my dear student and all the aspirant of Purvostoli to Government ITI. Myself Arindam Samanto, the instructor of Electrician Department in Purvostoli to Government ITI. Today we are discussed about Scott connection, and in this period we start e-learning procedure for advanced education system for student in the situation. So let us concentrate about topic. Today discuss about Scott connection. What is Scott connection? The Scott connection is used to link 2 and 3 phase supply system with power flow in either direction. Means Scott connection 3 phase to 2 phase or 2 phase to 3 phase supply. It is based on the 3 phase balanced voltage triangle system. Okay. The perpendicular from the vertex, here it is the transformer primary winding, and here the voltage is √3 times and it is the 50%. Here the number of turns is T1 by 2 and here the number of turns is T1 by 2, 50-50. Okay. Here a voltage triangle ABS, the AS is perpendicular to CB. Here CS is equal to SB. Okay, and AS is equal to √3 by 2 into AC. √3 by 2 into AC. Okay. Thus, if two single phase transformers are chosen, here two single phase transformers chosen. Transformer 1 is called main transformer. Okay, have T1 turns in the primary winding and middle point is S. Okay, and transformer 2 are called T-Z transformer. It is transformer 2 are called T-Z transformer. Here the load is situated. Both transformers have equal turn ratio T2 in the secondary winding and both the primary are connected. Okay. Consider here the voltage AS is equal to √3 times of V. Here V is the line voltage. In delta system, Scott connection is mainly in delta system transformer. Here the delta system means here the voltage is same, but AS is equal to √3 times √3 by 2 into V. Thus, if two secondaries have equal number of turns, they will produce secondary terminal voltage equal in magnitude. Here the number of turns is equal, so the magnitude is equal. Okay, but in phase quadrature, the current in T-Z transformer is phase with the voltage. Okay, here the supply voltage I2 is equal to 1 by 1/5 times of primary current. Okay, so mainly Scott connection is 3 phase to 2 phase supply. Here two transformers, single phase, transformer 1 and transformer 2. Here the number of turns is same, so the voltage equation is same, but here the voltage AS is equal to √3 times of AC. Okay. Scott connection is mainly in 3 phase system. In power generation, where the power plant or power generating station, Scott connection is mainly situated. Okay. Thank you.